We will explain how to operate our NVC cards and the softwares. First, double click recorder.exe program. Let's see what kind of graphic display it shows. This is the main menu of recorder.exe program. There are 4 cameras I installed. Channel 1 we used as a DVD player as a camera source, and 2 cameras were actually deployed. One checking the internal office and the other one is outside the office, just for example. There are four cameras activated, and there are many other buttons. We strongly recommend you to explore all of these buttons and learn how to use them and play with them, get familiarized with these functions, so that you need this when you need it most. Okay, if you bring your cursor to the icons, a short text string file appears. It explains what it's about. And let me go with the display first. And if you select channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, something like that, this is the single display mode. If you go back to 4 channel display, goes like that. And if you hit this one, if you selected one and click this one, let's see, it changed after 5 seconds swelling time. It changed to another camera, and there is another expansion display mode in full screen mode. If you right click and you go back to original position, there are some icons here. Let's see, network status, login status, your accesses to the system, who did it, when did it. So, and this one, and the sensor status, it means all the system login information, when the system started, when the power off, when the connection is made. All this information will be, log information will be shown. So this one is always flashing when the recording is being made. So let's see this one, recorder start. You can recording stop it. And there are 2 buttons in the bottom that are most important features. One is for playback, the other one is how to set up operational parameters. So these are 2 important key buttons. We will explain later on. This one is PTG control, so we don't support with this model. And this one for color attribute, you can set up. And network information, as I explained before, log view I explained before. And audio, we don't support audio with this model. And log out, you can log out and exit, closing by exit. So let me go ahead how to set up operational parameters for you, and you will understand key features that we provide with this product. Okay, if you click the hammer button, you will have this dialog box popping up. System informations, the name of DBR, you can register anything, and IP address, hard disk, and MAC, and network, and video type is NTSC. Most of country use PAL system as a default, but America, Korea, and Taiwan, Japan are using NTSC system. So, and the hard disk. Okay, in our setup, D directory is used for storing data files, and if HDD gets full, it is set to overwrite hard disk. So this is the information you can carry. You can carry 7 days, let's say 15, something like that. You can set up and program it. And user, you can add your users with the password. It has a display, how to display full size display at the start. Use a DirectX program for efficient display and hide channel information. No channel information will be showing up on your display, and what size of the OSD characters on your display. 24 is default one, and other configuration. So you change all these things, parameters as your own, suiting your needs, and you can export that file to save it, and you can import later on. So let's move to the device. What is all about devices? You can set up private masking on and off. Let's see. So private masking you can use this way, then it used to not be shown. So, and you can change your display attribute. So brightness, contrast, color, and hues is programmable, and it's a small movement of cameras you can control, but we don't support this one in this model. And there is a PTG control. You can change the ranges, focuses, all these things. We don't support this. If you have a inquiry, please ask us. You need to purchase a special I/O board, but we don't normally recommend it because cameras are installed our field, so sometimes the lightning and thunder could damage the cameras, could damage the PC card, could damage your own PC, causing fire, all kind of troubles. So we don't support much, but indoors, yeah, it would be okay, but you have to check with us beforehand. And the sensors, we have a sensor board you can ask for, and motion detect, yeah, motion detection, pre-recording before the motion, post-recording after the motion, and sensitivity. You can program it. High sensitivity means you can detect all of them. Then means your file size could be a little bit larger. And other detection modes. Let's see. Alarming, recording failure, hard disk overriding, that kind of things could be enabled. And let's go for remote record. Cameras. So default size is 960H. Is industry host application. So it has a lot, 30 is about 33% larger resolution than D1 conventional D1 size. So for 960H is approximately the same as HD sizes. So it provides a very good video quality. Let's see what they have. Frame rate is default is 4 to 5, so you can change the 30 frames per second, or you can change the highest level of video quality. For each camera you can control it. Okay, and if you have a more frame rate, higher video quality, that means more CPU processing time and more hard disk size. So it depends on your situation. Another good feature we provide, so we support the dual bit streams, dual compressed streams, because video quality of being recorded can be different from the video quality that you can send over the network. So it depends on the network bandwidth that you are in. So let me see what else they have. Frame rate can be like less than 15, 1 to 5. It all depends on you. So image quality, highest raw, standard raw, very raw. So less frame rate, and raw image quality is a small bitstream file, and then it can go through the network more easily. So it is you can program it whatever you want, okay? And recorded schedule you can program all the way recording. You can motion detected recording, sensor event happens, only that kind of things could be recorded. All this combination could be, you can program it. So let's see. So you can motion. So Sunday, Monday, you can program on holiday as special mode of decoding too. So you can click it and do that. So you can run more details from the manual we provide. Okay, network, go through network. So network information. This is for port forwarding. With the port forwarding, you can see the video over the network on your remote smartphones, remote PC things. So this is number. So for more details, you can read our manual and frequently asked questions document, FAQ document. You have to read to understand it a little bit better. So DDNS is dynamic domain name service. You register your DVR to real.dvr.com. That's our server we provide, and this is the code for our DVR understand each you. Okay, we do this one, and the MAC address and your IP address is attached. So this network server understands it's you. So in case your global IP network, global IP address of your network changes, and it updates its routing table, so that you can still reach there. So it is a very convenient feature provided. So read that document. So this is exchanging information time, 60 minutes per day. It's still very, very large. You can program it in 24 hours. It's okay, right? So fold and close. And let's see. We go to playback mode, and yeah, it's in there. Double click it, gets you. And let's see. Let's see, playback. Let's see, 4.1. You can select this one, the single mode, and playback. Go back. Playback. doesn't change anything. So okay, let's go back. This playback mode. There are other. This one, zoom in, panorama. So you can go in and do this. Is the interesting option for video quality, and image adjust, bright control, all these things. Okay, saturation, high pass filtering. Don't do this because this kind of extra action could be a burden for your CPU processing power. And this one is displaying speed up to 8 times faster. That are another good features we provide. Okay, there are smart file backup, snapshot. This one is not activated, so stop it and go for it. And smart search, let's go on. So let's go on. I go to start, I can't go like that, and let's see, close, and channel information for, and smart search. Let's see. Okay, go to start. So let's find out search area. It's motion detected areas. For example, if you place here, so any motions, any movement can be detected from inside the file, and then search all. So it can shorten your search time for a certain event. Okay, that's a very useful feature. So let's see. Stop search. Click this one, playback. So this is a very useful feature we provide. So let's see, stop and close application, and we go to, you can go to, yeah, a bookmark. So let's see, you can delete bookmark, yeah, later on. And what else? Smart search, file backup. You can back up compressed file to another directory by using this one, camera 1. You can use arrow here, then back up. You activate this one, local D directory, and you can temporary file, then OK, then it save, it goes on. Okay, so close. Or you can go for snapshot. You can either have a single still image backup, or you can have a video small video clip backup, the same thing, so that you can download to USB or whatever you like to, and you can send it email. But backup players should be needed when playback this kind of a video file. JPEG or BMP still images you don't need to. normally the Windows operating system, they do support, they do provide that kind of programs. So don't worry much. And cancel. And what else they need? The print. You can print a file. So you can print a file. Do this. Camera numbers. It works, and you can send it to the whatever they need it. So let's say, and this is the date you can select. If it like that, you double click it, and it lengthens the span of it, so that minute scaling could be possible. Let's see what else we have. So whenever you want to go exit, these features, event search, panorama search, details are explained in our manual, downloadable from our website, so you should read. And one more again, all of these features and buttons, you know, you have to play with it and familiarize with it. Then it will be very perplexing when something happens, you don't know how to use it. You know, it's an embarrassing moment you should avoid. So let's see how to close it. Go tools and click exit, then back to preview display mode. And we explained this, and we explained how to set up those parameters, and I think that's it. So go for our manual and take time to practice with it. So if you understand all, if it doesn't work for you, always ask us, and we'll be there. Send us an email, so we'll give you my explanation. If you think there would be some improvements, then please let us know. Then we will improve our service, our system. So that concludes our presentation. Thank you so much.